Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to remove a background from an image using Canva's background remover and a free website called Remove.bg. First, open Canva and upload your image or create an image using Canva's AI image generator. Click on the image to select it. Now, go to the top toolbar and click BG Remover. Wait a few seconds, and done! The background is gone instantly. Take note that this effect is only available for Pro account. Now let's try Remove.bg. Go to www.remove.bg in your browser. Click Upload Image and choose your photo. In seconds, your background will be removed automatically. Click Download to save the image. Now upload it back to Canva to use it in your design. This version has a transparent background, but the free version is lower resolution. Go to Apps at the sidebar and search for Image Upscaler. Let's use a free version of Upscaler. Select the image, then click Upscale Image. After generating, click Replace Selection to update your image. Now your image is saved at a higher resolution you can use to your design. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and easy to follow, please support us by hitting like button. See you in my next video.